everyone. So I'm just going to go over another example on Backticks. I just want to show you guys here, just let you know, it's under the escape key, and it looks like these different slants. It's not the same as a single quote, so these are under the escape key, and only when you use these backticks can you use these symbols with the $ and the curly brace brackets. If you don't use these quotes, the backticks, then it will not work using that $. So right over here, if we look at this problem, it's basically setting up and saying that when you use these backticks here, and you put the $ and curly brace brackets, you can call that variable name and put it right there, and now you're able to use that variable name within that sentence. So let's do an example here. So if I open up Visual Studio here, and let me just make a brand new file, new window, and I will just put this test folder or file here. So I am just going to make a brand new one. So right over here, when we are using backticks, remember it's under the escape key, and when you can use actually multiple variables within the backtick sentence. So let's say we specify like a name, like var first name is equal to John, and then var last name is equal to Doe, and then we have those variables set up. We want to set up the sentence as well, so var sentence is equal to, what we want to do now is, if we want to make a sentence with both of these variables using backticks, so hit the backticks button, and I'll put the semicolon at the end. And what you want to do is, let's say we want to specify, my name is John Doe. So we can put my name is, and then all we have to do is put that $, and then the brackets right there. And now we can put the variable name, the first name, just put one of the variables there, and then just hit the spacebar key, and then do another one, $, curly brace brackets, and then do last name. And now you'll see here it says my name is John Doe. It's set up properly and formatted, so we can do console.log sentence, and then save that, and then we'll open up a new terminal. And you can see here, once I run the node test.js, it says my name is John Doe, and the reason why it's specifying those variables is because we've called it here with the $ and then those curly brace brackets. If we put the regular single quotes like this, that I've seen a lot of students do, you see here, it's not going to be highlighted the same once you put it in Visual Studio Code. If you run this now, it says my name is, and it gives you that $ symbol and then just the actual curly brace brackets with those variable names inside. That's not what we want. We want the actual values. And we don't want to hard code these by putting these exactly inside. That's not the point. We want to reuse the first name and last name, because maybe we have hundreds of sentences and we want to use it over and over again. So this is how you reuse something, is you put the actual variable names inside here by calling them whenever you need to. But you can only use those symbols when you are using backticks.